Hello everyone, Jacob Horn here, nice to meet you. Uh, I'd like to talk about something today that is very dear to me. There's been an atrocity recently. You may be aware or maybe not, and that's perfectly fine. Uh, my, uh, my dear friend Josiah has recently eaten a Kit Kat bar in the wrong way. And so I thought I'd make this nice little tutorial to just clear the air a bit and explain why this was so wrong and how to correct this, because we all make mistakes in life. That's part of learning. But now you need to fix the mistake and not do it wrong again, okay? And looking at you, Jared. Okay? So with me today, I have this fun-sized Kit Kat bar, very it's upside down. A very standard looking, just what you'd expect from Halloween, which we had recently. Happy 5th of November, everyone. Um, so yeah, we're just gonna jump right in, guys. So the first thing, obviously, when you want to eat a candy, is please take the wrapper off. Don't eat that. Luckily, Jose did not. She did manage to take the wrapper off, probably in the right way. I didn't see, but so just if you don't know, let me get a close up shot of this. Yes, that looks good. Definitely not blurry at all. Don't mind that. You just kind of peel it and then tear away, and then it's real nice. And I don't know if you've seen the commercials, but in the commercials they say, "Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar," and so that's the first step. It's literally in their it's their little jingle. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar, and so that's what you do. You break off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Very nice, very nice. You probably couldn't hear it, but it felt very nice. So, for educational purposes only, I do not condone this in any way, shape, or form. Please never ever do this. But for educational purposes, I am going to show you how Jasper ate this incorrectly. Very wrong. Never again. It was, uh, the thought of it makes me sick. Just terrible. She decided to eat it face by face. This is clearly a rectangular prism, and she ate it face by face, like this. Just oh, hmm. Just a little piece of it. Who does that? What monster does that? That is the wrong way. That is terrible. You don't get any of the wafer. I only got chocolate, and if I wanted chocolate, I would eat something like a Hershey's bar, or literally any solid chocolate bar. No, no, no. The point of the Kit Kat bar is to get all of it. See, it's layered. Get the layers, people. So the next, now you know how not to do it. Never ever do that. That was purely informative. Please don't do that ever. Now I'm gonna show you how to properly do it. So this one's tainted. It's ruined. You can't do anything with that. It's incorrect ratios of chocolate to wafer, which are there for a reason. So now we have the other half. Now, let's see. Jonah, please listen closely here. This part, this part is for you, my friend. This is how you properly eat a Kit Kat bar. Okay, just get a profile shot of this. All right. Oh look, there's Colonel Cluck in the background. Yeah, there he is. Hi, Colonel Cluck. He's a pheasant from my 8th grade art teacher. So what you do is you just like this. Mmm, easy peasy. And you can see by this cross section here that I got the entire thing. Perfect ratio of wafer to chocolate. 420. It was awesome. Very nice. A 10 out of 10 would recommend. So, in conclusion, remember, guys, please, this has been a PSA for your safety. It's a public safety announcement, okay? This is for you guys. I do this for you. I don't profit from this. You do. You benefit. So please, take this advice to heart. And don't be like, let's see, and don't be like Julius. Terrible person. No one's gonna want to be your friend after that. So just please, eat a Kit Kat bar the right way, And be safe. Happy November, everyone.